Hey guys. So this is for my AB509 online class. If you were in Colorado with us, you would get to do this hike. So maybe next time. So the beginning of the trailhead is right smack through an aspen grove. It's absolutely gorgeous. Video on us. All right, so we started the south trailhead to Mt Elbert. It's a beautiful day. Just crisp air. I think there's still a little bit of smoke from those big fires, but it's not too bad. So the beginning of the trailhead is right smack through an aspen grove, and it's absolutely gorgeous in the morning. We are 1.7 miles into the hike, and we've changed vegetation as the higher we go. We move from the aspen grove to a pine forest, and then after a while, I'll make a video of that. We get to the place above the tree line, which will be about 11,500 feet. But it's beautiful. All right. Oh, look at that. Somebody's actually coming down running.
Morning.
Good morning. You're looking good.
You guys have a good day.
Yeah, thank you. You too. All right, so we are just about at the tree line, which is the zone. Let me turn around so you can see the trees are below us, and there's going to be very few trees above us. And we're going to go to the summit of, where's my hand? This right here. That's Mt Elbert, which is the tallest 14er in Colorado. This is one of the best things about living in Colorado and having access to these national forests and these big hikes. So I'm doing this right now with Dr. Nalam, a colleague from my department, and the rest of the group started a bit later, so they'll be probably catch up with us because they are mostly in their 20s and they're probably not as tired as we are. But I wish everybody from the class could be with us. It would be such a great experience. So we are making progress, and we are crossing our first little snowfield that's left over from last snowfalls in the winter. And I have chacos on, so I don't want to fall down, so that's why I'm going pretty slowly. But beautiful day. Like I said, I wish everybody could be here with us. That's the view. That one in the back, that's not massive. I did that one last month with one of my daughters. Very long and very hard. All right, AB509. Vemzi and I made it to the summit with a bunch of other people that came out from different routes. So I'm just going to go around so you can see the view on that side. And this one is Mount Massive over there. So it's really tough, but totally doable for anybody that can run maybe 5 miles. And it takes some effort, but the view definitely is worth it. The summit is pretty sheer, drop off right here. I don't know if you can see. This is where we come from. The summit is right behind there. The person right there is going to make it. Alright, so last view from the top, and we'll be going down. This is the way we're going to go.